Hi, I'm Tom Nemesky. Lived here at 13 Sylvester Road for 26 years. I brought up my 3 kids here who are 28, 26, and 23. I grew up in Natick myself. One of the favorite things about this house is the shell that it started with. It was just a regular cape. We knew we wanted to bring our family up in this house and didn't have quite enough room. So we put on a significant addition, and to see the house transform and just have our kids grow up in this house. I myself grew up in Natick. My 3 kids went to basically the same schools that I went to. The thing that I'll miss the most is really the neighborhood. It's been a fantastic place to raise kids, and I think it's time to have another family enjoy the house as much as we've enjoyed it.